All right, ball just dropped here. Rec B division. This is the Lightning blue team, which is basically a freshman team, versus the white team, Kelly's. Hey, what is this team called? Kelly? Is this called Kelly's Heroes?
Kelly Sports.
Oh, Kelly Sports. I'm sorry, Kelly Sports, and the white team. Just into the first period. This is the first game for both teams. There's a bag on the deck. Lightning's in. Taken away by Kelly Sports. Oh no, Lightning shot, block, save, in the corner. 3 there for Kelly Sports. White trying to go up the boards. Kept in by blue. 1 keeps it in for Lightning. Now fought at the circle. 1 keeps, thrown across. Kelly Sports is in. 91 with the back check, cuts them off. Offsides. In for Lightning, 10, 17. 10's going to be on the draw along with 88. At the points, 91 and 28. Kelly Sports gets it across. Goaltender hands it off to 28. 28 up the boards, cut off by White. Center's shot, blocked up by 91. 88's there, he reverses. Takes it around. Looks for 17. 17 tries to go across, poked away by White. 91 looks for the outlet to 10. Kelly Sports, 10, centers across, blocked down, was looking for 17. 10 now in transition. Nice keep by 91. 91 dumps back in, 17 chases. 17's gonna get there first. 17 behind the goal. Loose in the circle now to the point. 91 is going to keep. He throws it in front. 17 now in the corner. 17 in the corner. He's going to curl. Top of the circle to 91. Shot. Blocked down by 11. Behind the goal. Going to be covered by White. Once again, Pittsburgh Lightning. Blue in the blue. Versus Kelly Sports in the white. Rec B division. First game for both teams. 18 on the draw for Lightning. He wins it towards the goal. Covered by White. $18 on the draw again. Wins it to the point. 22. Long shot. Blocked down in front. Off to the corner. To the point, 1 keeps, nice keep, tries to wrist shot it on, blocked off to the corner. 18 now on the boards, battles, he comes away with it. To the point, 1, long shot, save, pad save, and cover. Nice pad save and cover there by the goaltender. A lot of traffic in front. 1 got it on goal. Goaltender's lucky he covered that. There's a Lightning player right on the doorstep for the rebound. 18 wins the draw. To the slot, shot blocked down by 97. Shot blocked down by White. White now, nice keep by 22. 18 now throws it over for 22. Shot and covered. 18. Nice pass to 22 in the circle. He got it on goal. Save and cover by Kelly Sports goaltender. And now for Lightning, 17, 14. 17 on the draw. To the point, 91, shot, rebound.
That's a high stick, Phil. Phil scored.
17 on the goal, 91 with the shot. Rebound up high, looked to be waist level. He batted it in. 17 with the birthday goal. .28, White dumps in, 91 controls. Absolutely no pressure from White. 91 looks to dump it across, picked off by White. Long shot, 91. Save, handed off to White. 17 shot, wide left. 14 looks to shoot, Rolled off his stick, fan. 14 throws it across. Nobody home. Looks to clear. Kept in by Blue. Blue keeps. 91 to the point. Skip pass. Oh, nice rotation there. 28. Nice cycle. 91 to 17. 17 with the dangle. He's in now. Behind the goal. He loses it off his stick there. Nice cycling by Lightning. Kept in. A lot of offensive pressure here by Lightning. 17 keeps to 14. Looks to put in a move. He's in. Throws it across for 27. Just misses him. Throws it in front. 14. Loose now in the corner. 6 minutes left in the first. 1-0 Lightning. Below on the boards. 57 battles with 14. 14 comes away with it. He's hung up now behind the goal. White tries to clear to the point. Long shot, blocked down. 91, can't keep. He dumps back in. 17 looking to get off. Wholesale changes for both teams here. 22 dumps it across, picked off by White in transition. They got a chance. Taken away. Nice back check there by 88 to break that opportunity up. 88 tries to go, cut off by 53, White. Battle on the boards, 88 comes away with it. He's behind the goal. White takes it away. Nope, Blue in the corner now. Back to 88 behind the goal. Goal line extended. White tries to take it away. 88 still behind the goal. Curls, shot, wraparound. 88 with the wraparound. 2-0 Lightning. 88 putting in some work behind the goal. Had it, lost it, went back, got it back. Came it back around on the forehand. 2-0 Lightning. 5 minutes into the first period. 10 on the draw. Out there now, 97 in for 88. Looks like 88 had an equipment problem. White dumps in. 0 along the boards. 22 bodies him off. 12 looks to center, blocked off by 1. 22 now controls. 22 across for 97. 97 corrals it, looks up for 10. 97 now. Oh, loses it at the blue line. White's in. White still in. 97 takes it away. Blue gets it out. Oh, looks like Blue's off. Wholesale changes here for Lightning. 5 out, 5 in. (2-0 Lightning, 4:23 left in the first period. 18 on the draw. 18 wins it cleanly to 91. 91 looks to go up to 17. Up, out of play, hit the ceiling. 18's going to be on the draw again. Loose in the circle. 28 carries now. Looks to clear. White keeps. Now to 14. 14 looks up for 18. Oh, let him just a bit. 18 now picks it off. 18 in a breakaway. 18 shot. Nice save there. Looks like he hit the side of the goal. I couldn't believe the wraparound attempt. And goal. 18 got his own rebound. 18 picked off the pass at the red line. Went in for the breakaway. Nice save by the goaltender initially. 18 didn't give up. Got his own rebound. Came back with the wraparound. 3-0 Lightning here. Just 6 minutes in. Up 17 off his stick. Taken away. White dumps in. 28 now up the boards. White looks to center. 93 cut off by 91. 14 nice move there. He's on the forehand now. He's in. 14 slams on the brakes. Looks to center. He loses his footing. White now. White up the boards. White's across. Oh, off his stick. 28 now up. White's off. White is across. Looks to dump it back to 21. Cut off by 14. Lightning's in again. They're in. Nice moves there by 10. Couldn't get by the third guy. White now in transition. Looks like he's going to dump in. He's off now. Plenty of time here for Blue. 57 changes directions. Looked up for 17. 17. Let him a little too much. White now. Dead ball. White was off. Up, take that back. Going to be a penalty on White. Don't know what they called. Either way, power play coming up here for Lightning. Already up 3-0. 3 minutes left in the first period. 10 on the draw. Out there with 57, 22, and a 1 at the points. White comes away with the draw though. Shorthanded. He's across. Dumped in. 1's there for Lightning. 1. Outlet pass to 22. 22 now. He's across. Up, loses it though. 35 seconds left on the power play. 22. Up for 10. 10 puts on the brakes, looking to set it up. Cross for 57. 57, nice move. Loses it that time though. White's in now. Shorthanded, they're across. 57 cuts him off. 1, shorthanded, shot here. We got a chance. Oh, nice give and go. Shot, save. Save and cover by 18. Nice give and go. 19 and 43. Created a shorthanded opportunity. Goaltender shut him down. Lightning still on the power play for 11 seconds, up 3-0. Fourteen's going to be on the draw. He wins it to himself. 11 chips in. 97's going to chase here. White gets to it first. White now, the blue line, or the red line. He's across. Shot wide, short side. 1's going to be there for Lightning. Throws it around, up for 14. 14, or I'm sorry, 88, up to 97. 97's in. 97's in. Cut off there. 1 now. 1's in the corner. Got 14 at the point. Centering pass. Knocked off by the goaltender. Blues behind the goal. 1 in the corner now. Look to the point. Skip pass. 22. Long shot. Blocked down in front. 11 blocked that. 97 now. Centering pass. Nobody home. Penalty coming up on Lightning. Look to be a trip. Penalty is on 88. Lightning's going to be on the PK. First power play coming up now for Kelly Sports. 18 on the draw. Wins it back. Kelly Sports controls though. 28 throws to the point. Oh, cut off by 50. Oh, 57 almost had a chance there. Shorthanded breakaway. 0 now. Battles along the boards. Splits a double. 28 now. Gets a hold of it. Airmails it out. 40 seconds left on the power play. 13's there. 57 with the PK forecheck. He loses it now. 30 seconds left on the power play. 40 in the period. White gets it in. 28 battles along the boards. White shot wide, short side. 91 picks it up. He's going to airmail it down. 15 seconds left on the power play. On goal, goaltender hands it off. White now. They're across. Nice play by 91 to get that out. Oh, no, did they keep? They kept. Now it's out. This is going to be it. End of the period. Impressive period by the Lightning. Up 3-0 after 1. All right, here we go. Start of the second period. Impressive first period by the Lightning blue team, the freshman team. Up 3-0. 22 now for blue. Clears up for the other 22. White tries to keep his own. They do. White keeps. 22 blue now. Nice change in direction. Looks up. Kept in by 3. He was just off. High stick there on Kelly's power play for blue. Chance here, go up 4-0, 22 in the corner. He fights to the point. Over to 17, over to 1. Back for 10. Back to 1. One shot, blocker save, 17 now in the corner. 17, skip pass to 1. Oh, they jumped it there. 1, long shot, wide, short side, and a cover. White player got banged up a little there. White player tried to jump that one-timer on 1. Got hit with the follow-through. Looks like he's okay. 30 seconds still on the power play. 18's going to be on the draw. Loose in the circle. 88 tries to pull the trigger. Checked off. White dumps it in. 28's there for Lightning. 15 seconds left on the power play. 91. Carries across. He's in now. 91. The lefty puts on the brakes to the point. Long shot. 88. Oh, nice 18 in front. And nice save and cover there. 18, as he always does, creating traffic in front. Jumped up over that shot from the point from 88. Great hand-eye coordination there by the goaltender to glove that after the initial save. 5-on-5 now, all even. 18 on the draw. 18 wins it to the point. Shot. Wide. 97 now. 5-on-5 hockey. Shot. 91. Goal. 97. Just a quick pass to 91. Quick little snap one-timer. That went low glove side on the goaltender. 4-0 Lightning. 8:23 left in the second. 91's got to control. Oh, pressure now coming. White takes it away. White keeps. Now out. Lightning's in. 97. Puts on the brakes. Goes it across. 88. 88. Backhanded shot. Save and cover. The goaltender. 88 pivoted there. Backhanded a shot on goal. Save and cover by Kelly's sports goaltender. 17's going to be coming up on the draw here for Lightning. 17 for Lightning, 12 for Kelly's. 17 wins it to himself. Now taken away by 53. Lightning keeps, nice keep. Thrown around, 17 cuts it off. Tries to bank it off there, off the side of the net. Dump down, 1 chases for Lightning. 57's across. He's got some cutters, puts on the brakes, drops. 1's in. Looking to shoot. Locked down. Loose in front. Rebound. 14. 14 had a couple of chances there. Out to 4. 4 dumps in. 1 chases for Lightning. He'll get there first. 4 on the pressure for White. 1 goes up the boards. Cut off by 12 for White. He loses it. 17 now across. Drops for 57. 57 shot and gloved. Good glove and control there by the goaltender. 17 was on the doorsteps if the rebound was given up. 7:11 left in the second. Still 4-0 Lightning. 12 on the draw for White. 10 for Blue. Blue tries to box him. 97. Loses it. 4 now. Tries to clear. He does. Going to be an icing. 21 on the draw versus 10. Blue wins it. Shot blocked down by 21. 93 battles. Oh, he's thrown down. It's going to be a penalty on 97 blue. Power play. He kind of hooked and threw down. 93. Going to be penalty on Lightning. Power play coming up for Kelly Sports here. Trying to get their first goal. Ten on the draw. White wins it to the point. Taken away. 22's now in. The lefty 22, not the righty 22. 22 now, shorthanded. He's got a circle. Oh, puts on the brakes. Nice move there. 22, killing time. 22, dumps it around. 9's there for White. 9 now carries. He's across. 28's going to get there first, though, for Lightning. 28 now, up for 18. Looks for 18 cutting. Oh, loses his stick. Oh, my God. 18. 18. Trying to go without a stick there. He gets it back. 91's doubled on the boards. Nice PK here by Blue. They're killing this off. Somebody's lost a shoe out there also. That's going to be it. Penalties release. Nice PK by Lightning. They carry across. Up, offsides. Offsides coming out of the bench. Subs for both teams. And there for Lightning, 88, 14, 18, 1. And the right-handed, 22. Thrown up, 88, picks it off. 88, puts nice move to 18. 18, loose in the circle, poked away. 18 cuts it off, throws in front for 14. 14, stick lift. 88 now is going to go around, behind the goal. 88, taken away by 43. 88 in pursuit. Oh, 88 loses his footing. 18 is going to cut him off. 14, up the boards. White, nice change of direction there, 19. He dumps in for 15. Somebody got a stick broken in half. 1. Carries. 1's out. Tries to get across. He can't. Cut off by White. 18's across. 18. Nice look for 14. Nice poke by 3 though. 3 tries to get it out. He does. 3's in now. Breakaway. 3 in. Shot. Ooh, big save. That was White's best opportunity. Goaltender shut him down. 4:35 left, still 4-0 Lightning. 15. Shot, long shot. Save. Glove save. White still put pressure on. Centering pass, taken away. 17. 7. Penalty coming up for 14 here. I don't know what the call was. Either way, it's going to be PK for Lightning. White's going to be on the power play again. Out there for the PK, 28, 17, 91, and 57. 17's going to be on the draw. White wins it to the corner, up to the point, shot, long shot, wide, 91, air mails it down. 57's going to come with that pressure again, shorthanded. Thrown up. White gets it across. Long shot, wide. 28's there for Lightning. Around the boards. 11's going to cut it off. He does. He dumps back in. 91's there. He's going to be able to airmail this down now. Throws it deep. Oh, 57's going to get there way early and cover. Nice hustle by 57. 25 seconds left for White on the power play. And they're now on the draw, 22, the lefty 22. White wins it cleanly. 35 now up the boards. 28 keeps. 91 keeps. 91 throws it on. It's going to be a cover. $12 versus 22 on the draw. 22 wins it. Oh, taken away there by 35. White gets it across. Nope, kept in. 22 still there. 22. Oh, that's going to be a trip. And that's going to be a penalty. Tripping on 22. Got a stick caught up in between 53. Another power play coming for White. This will be White's either their third or fourth penalty or power play here in the second. Still can't bang it home though. On the PK, 1, 18, 22 right, and 97. 22 the righty, 18 on the draw. Blue wins it. 1 around the boards for 97. 97 looking to airmail it. Up, he tries to go up the boards. Throwing it across. One's got to just. He gets it out of the zone. 12 now, controls for White. He's across. Leaves it for 43. Let him a little too much. 43 behind the goal. Looks to center. Blocked off. 43 now in the corner. To the point. 13. Nice look. Shot coming. Oh, one dives. 13. Shot. Loose in front. Loose. Nice save there. Bouncing ball into the corner now behind the goal. 18 tries to get it out. He can't. Shot. And that's going to be a save and cover by Blue. A lot of pressure on this power play from White. Blues. We can't clear the zone. And they're now 28, 91, 10, and 14. 10 will be on the draw. He wins it to 91, 91, airmails it down. 14's there first, short-handed. 14, pressure coming from 12. They battle on the boards. 14's content just to kill it. Penalties released now, all even, 5 on 5. 10's going to help out. 14 takes the double team to 10. Ooh, 14 again. 14 tries to body, uses body. 12 takes it away. Up the boards. 91 keeps to 22. 22 shot, blocked down. 12's there now. 14 is dead after that shift. White finally gets it out. 1:45 left in the second, still 4-0 Lightning. 91 now carries. 91 splits the double team. He's in. Shot. High and wide. To the corner. 93 for White. Kept in by 22. Back to 10. 91. Loose behind the goal. 91. Looks for 10. Cut off there. 21 takes it away. He's going to ice it all the way down. This will be at icing. 1:14 left. $21 versus 17 on the draw to the left of the White goaltender. Should I take that back? 88. 88 wins it to 17. 17 wants to try to go to the point. 22's there. 22 over to 1. 1 tries to go up the boards, cut off. 1 minute left in the second. 3 keeps. Oh, 57. Almost had a chance there to go in transition. Thrown behind the goal. 22 righty is there for Blue. Nice change of direction. Lob pass for 57. 57. Pressure on 3. 17's going to come in and double. Now it's a 2-on-2. 17 and 57. 3 to the point. Going to be a shot coming. Oh, nice move by 1. He's in. Shot. 17 now. Looks to go to 88. 17 at the circle. Throws it across. Oh, nice look. Shot. Oh, nice. Blind backhanded pass by 17. I think 17 heard him bang a sticker. I think he even said, here. 17 blind backhanded pass to 57, streaking to the goal right in the slot area. Puts it home, high glove side. Nice play. 5-0 Lightning, 10 seconds left in the second. 1 now. Up the boards for 57. Kept in by White. That's going to be it. And that's it. At the end of the second period, Lightning 5, Kelly Sports 0. All right, here we go. Ball's dropped. Start of the third. 18 wins it. Back to 91. Lightning blue freshman team up 5-0. 91 carries across. He splits the double team. He's going to get there. He's in the corner. 91. He's doubled now. Looks to go to 14. Picked off by White. White's in now. 2-on-1. Shot. Nice save. 18. Throws it across and loose in front. Looks for 18. Goes across to 91. 91's in again. The lefty. Shot. Save White. Shot again. Blocked down. White tries to clear the zone. They do. They dump in. Blues got all the time in the world here. 28. Over for 97. 97 goes past 19. He's across. Dumps it in for 18. 18 shot. Wide. 14's there for Lightning. White clears it across. Nice outlet there. Tries to shoot. 28 blocks it down. 91 up the boards. 14. They got a chance here in transition. 14. Just got to crank that. Shot. Oh, slap pass. They were caught in a change there. 14 kind of went in. If he would have hurried, he would have had a breakaway. White now. Throws it up. White's in. 28 trying to cut him off. Shot. Blocked off by 28. 10's there in the slot. 93. Loses control. 10 now trying to clear the zone. Kept in by White. Blue, 88, long shot, dump in, behind the goal, 8 minutes left, 10 on the pressure. Battles behind the boards, in the corner. 88 comes away with it. 88. Shot. 88 across for 22. 22, shot, wide left, just missed. 10 now behind the goal. Looks for 88 again in the circle. White trying to clear the zone. 1. Kind of a hip check there on 93. 1 now. Tries to keep. He does for 22. Shot. Wide. 10 again behind the goal. 10 to 88. 88. 88. Now in the circle. Loses it this time. 93. Content to clear it down. It's going to be an icing. 7:16 left, 5-0 Lightning. Out there for Lightning, 18 on the draw, 17, 57. At the points, 1, and the right-handed 22, 18 on the draw. 1 keeps. Back to 17 at the circle. 17 dumps back underneath for 18. 18 give and go to 17. Oh, tries to pop it. Knocked off. 22 is going to hold the zone. He dumps up. White now trying to clear. They're across. Oh, offsides. He was off on himself. On the draw again. Wins it to 17. Up, cut off though by White. White's in. 91 now. 17 across. Look, nice look for 57. Off his stick. 35 up out of the play. 6:39 left in the game. Lightning up 5-0. $18 on the draw again for blue. To the point. 91 tries to keep. 57 keeps it. Now it's chipped out by white. 28's there to control. 91 now. Long shot. Behind the goal. White's there first. 17 light pressure. 18 cuts it off. 18 throws it 57. 57 shot. Loose. Rebound. Nice save there. 91's going to hold the zone again. That time it got out. 57's across. Taken away by white. 28's there now. 18's getting off. He's gassed. The lefty 22's in. 6 minutes left. White now retreats behind the goal. Throws it around. White's in. Shot. Just wide. Thrown in deep. 22. Nice poke away from 15. 22. Looks to clear it up to 14. 14's across. Got a cutter. Got 22 cutting. 14. Tries to pass. Nope. Backhanded pass to 22. Shot. Oh, nice goal. 14. Cross crease pass over to the left-handed 22. Was able to bang it home. 6-0 Lightning. 5:26 left in the third. Dumped in. One will be there. One's going to go lob pass. 13 picks it up.
Andrew, you're bad.
88 tries to clear the zone. White controls. Over in the circle. Thrown across. 22 gets a stick on that. 88 up for 14. The lefty 22 now. He's got to dump in. 6-0 Lightning. 4:40 left. Thrown across. White blocked off by one. One now. He carries across. One drops it for 22. Long shot. Shot. Blocker save. White. 22 now. In the corner to 22. Shot again. Blocked down. White clears out. Long shot. 10 gets a piece of it. Blocks it off. 0. Not giving up there. Cutter. Got a cutter. Oh, nice. 3. Nice cut. Right down the pipe. Right down the slot. 0 put a pass right on a stick. Get their first goal there. 6-1 Lightning. Ten's going to be on the draw for blue now. '97's in. Throws it across for 10. Blocked off. White now in transition. They have a chance. Oh, nice takeaway by 91. 91. Oh, still held in. 28. Up for 57. He's across. 57. Over for 10. 10. Over for 97. Shot behind the goal and covered. Throw it in deep. 28's there for blue. 3.5 minutes left. Danny, take a drink if you need one. You got one? Vicky, take a drink if you want. Yeah. White now. Tries to clear the zone. Kept in by blue. 3 minutes left. 57. Long shot. Blocked down. Tyler, you need a drink?
I'm going to do my first game outside.
wraparound attempt from Blue. Behind the goal. Do you need a drink for the game or no?
Yeah.
Well, I take one now. Justin, take a drink for the game.
Where are you parked at, Sean?
Right by the deck.
I'm putting this stick in it.
Well, it's not unlocked.
No, I'm putting it in the back though.
All right, I'll put it in once I get out there.
You don't need to put it in the back.
Yeah, 17's across. 97, long shot. Save, White. 2:20 left, 6-1 Lightning. 28. He walks it across. He's on the backhand. Goes to the forehand. Long shot. 28 blocks. 11 blocks it. 28 again in the corner. Drops. Nobody home. 31's there. 31 looking to clear the zone. Kept in by 18. 18 dumps it in all the way. 17's there. 17. He curls now to the point. 91 long shot. 91 shot. Locked down. White's going to clear it out. Goaltender gets a piece of it. 1:45 left. Up for 91. 91 dumps on goal. 17 holds at the blue line. 17 now. Throws it across. Ooh, just missed 22. The lefty 22. Oh, nice move. 22. Throws it across for 17. 17 now. To the point. Oh, taken away. 1:15 left. Dumped in. 28's going to get there first. 3's on him. Oh, take away. Oh, I'm sorry, by 21. 21 looks to center. Blocked off by 28. 28 takes it away. 22's across the lefty. 1 minute left. 22 goes it across for 17. Oh, bouncing ball to 1. Goes back to 17. 21 picks that off though. 1's in now. Goes it across 17. Slap pass. Ooh. Nice. Play. 1 at the point. Little slap pass over. Little pass over to 17 at the top of the circle. Looked like 17 was going to go with the one-timer. He put a nice slap pass on the stick to 22, who one-timed it past the goaltender. Nice movement there by the Lightning Blue team. 7-1, 40 seconds left. 22. Dumps it across. Oh, handball on 88. 36 seconds left. Power play coming up for White here in the final 36 seconds. PK 14, 22 the righty, 1 and 57. 57 on the draw. 57 wins it cleanly to 22. 22 up the boards. Trying to clear the zone. 14 mails it down. 25 seconds left. 7-1 Lightning. White goes it across. Cut off by 22. Dumped in. One will get handoff from the goaltender for 22. 5 seconds left. Dumped out. Oh, shot. Loose. Blocked off by 22. Nice block there at the end. Impressive victory for the Lightning Blue freshman team. 7. Kelly Sports 1.